Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2026, how to change dimension units. So for example, I will use templates in millimeter. So I will use the AutoCAD ISO template and you can draw rectangles with size 10 and 10. After it, you use dimension linear to create dimensions in the bottom here. So we have 10 millimeter in this object. If you want to change into inch, you can type minus DWG units, press enter, will be show for the notification, and in units for length, set into number 3, it means template using the millimeters. And if you want to change into inch, you can type 1, press enter until done. Okay, and the next, you can zoom extend. The dimension will automatically change into inch. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2026, how to change dimensions units.